Good morning, Judy here from Thistledew Creations. I wanted to show you a package that I received in the mail today. I made a deal with a lady from Utah back in November. It was just before the mail strike started, and I had been a little bit disappointed with the way the deal went down because she had posted on Facebook in junk journaling and scrapbooking group that she had this stuff, Edith Holden themed stuff for sale, and that she would ship it. And I knew it was probably from the States, but I inquired anyway and asked her to tell me how much it would be to ship it to me. Gave her my postal code and so on. So the next thing I know, she answered back with the amount that it would cost to ship it and the proof that she had shipped it. And I kind of freaked out a little bit because I wanted this stuff really badly, but what it ended up costing me was $135 Canadian for the items and the shipping. So I was a little upset that she didn't tell me how much before she shipped it, but I just let it go, got on with my Christmas preparations and so on, and kind of put it out of my mind. I figured the money's gone. I paid her for it. The money's gone. If the stuff gets here, great. If it doesn't, it'll teach me a lesson not to do those kinds of deals. But the package arrived today and I am quite thrilled. So it's an actual old vintage copy of the book that has already been deconstructed. I don't know if it's complete. I will go through and check. But it doesn't matter because I'm not going to put it back together again anyway. I'm just going to use the pages. But there's plenty of the pages that are just single. I'm just trying to see if there's any that are double. Anyway, they're nicely aged. They were already kind of an aged looking paper, I think. This brown around the edges is not natural aging. That's part of the printing. But quite thrilled with it. It's a smaller size. I didn't know it even came in this size. So I will do a flip through video of that once I've got it in order. And then there was 3 of these packages. 2 of them still in the bags. Don't look like they've ever been opened. You can kind of tell with these seals if they've been disturbed, and they haven't. But this one's opened, so I'm just gonna do a quick flip through on it. So there's a bunch of die cut tags with gold around the edges. Quite a few. It says there's 86 elements, 66 die cut toppers, 5 foiled papers, and 5 regular papers. So this will be lovely accents in my Edith Holden themed journal. I love these little strips of butterflies too. So there's some of the foiled paper. I don't know if you can see that or not. And this one also has some foiling on the leaves, and this one has foiling on the butterflies. Oh, I love the poppies. And then just some plain non-foiled papers that are lovely. Just not as dull as the book, but that nice, they have a nice sheen to them. A little bit more of a sheen than scrapbook paper. Not quite as glossy as magazine page. I love that with the bees on it. And so it's proven to be a good deal for me, even though it was more expensive than I wanted to pay right before Christmas. And then also I was realizing at the time of the transaction that the mail strike was going to be on, so I didn't know how long I was going to have to wait for it. It has turned out well. And then she sent these, I guess 8.5, 11 or A4 sized papers that are double-sided, and they must be out of an Edith Holden book too. The vibe seems the same. Certainly a woodland themed kind of paper pack. So this is from Jody Kirkwood in Utah. So if you're watching, Jody, thank you. It did arrive and I am happy. And when I went to thank you on Messenger, you said you were unavailable. So I hope you didn't block me. I hope you've just taken a break from Facebook and so on. But I did thank you in the group. And I'll thank you here, and I'll keep checking back, and if you're ever available for me to message, I will message you about it. But I really am happy with my purchase in the end. So thank you very much. And for those watching, if you'd like to see more flip-throughs of things like this, I've got another Diary of an Country Diary of an Edwardian Lady book to flip through, and a Daphne's Diary book to flip through for you. So stay tuned for that. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, have a great day.